Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install websites as apps in Chrome. If you want quick access to your favorite website without opening a browser tab, Chrome lets you install support websites as apps so they open on their own window and appear alongside your other desktop apps. So to start, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then from here, visit the website you want to install. For example, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Notion, you have WhatsApp Web, Google Meet, etc. So let's say we want to install Notion. So let's search for Notion, then click the official website. Then once you're here, so click the three dots in the top right corner and look for Cast, Save, and Share. Now from the options, click Install Page as App. You can rename the app, and once done, click Install. So the website will open in its own app window and be added to your desktop or app launcher depending on your operating system. So you can see Notion is already in your app launcher down here. So if you want to pin it to your taskbar, just right click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. If you want to unpin it, right click again and click Unpin from Taskbar. So installed web apps can appear in your taskbar, start menu, dock, or applications folder. Many web apps support notifications, offline access, and automatic updates. If a website doesn't support installation, creating a shortcut with Open as window provides a similar experience. So you can do this for the other websites also, like Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching.